There's always that one moment in life that holds a special place in your heart. Moment where you realize how fast flies and that today can never be repeated. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fatir Fadil Sofian. You can call me Fatir, and welcome to my video. Today I want to share my experience, and yeah, for me, that moment happened last year back in 2025. It was at Karangpapak Beach alongside the very people who grew up with me throughout my school years. It was our last big trip before all when our spirit spirit was after graduation. And the story starts around December 2024. Back then, conversation about the future were starting pop up more and more. Right in the middle of one of those serious talks, someone suddenly blurted out, "Hey, before we all get busy with our own life, let's go on a trip somewhere far." Micro Micrology, the plan didn't just stay in the group chat. Everyone agreed instantly. Throughout December, we putting money together, and by early January, the funds were ready and our adventure officially began. The big finally arrived. Before making our way to the beach, we stopped by a local supermarket to stock up on supplies. You can imagine the chaos of bunch of teens grocery shopping, right? Everything from noodles to random snack got piled up in the cart. Once that was done, the real journey kicked off. The route was a absolute treat of the eyes. We were spoiled with a bit everything. The crisp air of the tea plantation, waterfalls right by the roadside, endless green rice flies felt until finally we caught a glimpse of the coastline from afar. Inside the car, it was just non-stop singing and endless laughter. We arrived before noon. We arrived just right before noon. After dropping our bags at the villa and resting our legs for a bit, we ran straight to the beach. That afternoon, we completely let go of all our, our worries. We played we played like a little kids again, building tables out of sand, playing football, and just messing around until eventually, without us even realizing it, sunset arrived. I still remember that exact moment so vividly. The sky turned into a vibrant shade of orange, and the gorgeous wave was over reef in that moment. All of us who had been soloed all day just went completely silent. We sat side by side on the sun, just watching the sun slowly deep below the horizon without anyone looking at their phone. We were just soaking in a moment togetherness that we knew might be hard to come by in the future. That night, we did the ultimate tradition, staying up late, playing cards, surrounded by non-stop laughter into the hour, early hours of the morning. The next morning, we want we wanted to make the most of our remaining time. Before before heading home, we hit the beach one last time for a swim. After splashing around, we went back to the villa Sword Packet and hit the road. On the right back, on the right back, we even up playfully racing each other while hugging our heads off. I was just genuinely happy in that moment. Honestly, there were so many hilarious inside jokes on the trip that you probably had to be there to understand. But one thing is for sure, it was a beautiful moment that can never be repeated. Today, we're all probably busy with our ones path. Through this video, I just want to say thank you so much for my friends to my thank you so much to my friends who were part of the trip. That who were part of that trip. Thank you for carving out one of the most beautiful memories of my life. Thank you guys. Until the next adventure. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.